Hi there, welcome. Today we are going to talk about how to convert a CSV file into an Excel version. I've been getting a lot of questions about converting a CSV file to Excel version or an XLSX, which is a newer version. So I'm going to show you that one today. First of all, after you downloaded the file in your computer, make sure that you can find that file pretty quickly. If you downloaded it somewhere, most of the time it will go to your download folder. So if we open our file browser or file viewer, if you're using Mac, it will be your Finder application. If you downloaded it, then it will be on your download folder and then the CSV file. Once you find the CSV file on your computer, go ahead and double click to open it. Right now it is looking like it's actually an Excel file. Essentially it is using the application to open the CSV file. The top portion, there is a notification here and it tells you that it is in CSV format. To preserve the feature, you have to save it in an Excel file format. Additionally, you have an option to save as on the right portion. Right now, what we are seeing is just a preview version of that CSV file. To get the full functionality, we have to save it as an Excel. To do that, after you open the file, all you have to do is go to File in your menu. Select Save As. Right now I am using Mac, so if you're using Windows, this will look a little bit different, but it will be the same process. Go to File, select Save As, and then you will have a pop-up window that will let you select the format or the type of file that you want to save it to. So under that, select the option and then you have the ability to select and save it into the newest format, which is the .xlsx. The other format that you have, which is for an older version, is the .xls. We want to save it to the newest one, and that way we can use all the newest functionalities and all the new features that comes with newest version. Now let's select the .xlsx. If you need to change the name of the file, you can do that. If you need to save it to another area, then you can select that as well. But right now, I'm just gonna save it to the same area. Most of the time, I actually recommend saving it in the desktop, and that way you can find it easily. Once you change the title, you also change the destination folder, go ahead and click Save. And since I already created or saved a version a little while ago, I am going to replace that. But if you didn't, that will automatically save it for you. So if you notice, the message is now gone there. So this is now your new Excel version. It's pretty easy, quick and easy. So I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comment below. If you would like to subscribe to the channel, click that subscribe button. Click the bell button on the top so you will get notification for new videos that I upload. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.